Welcome to this video on the Elite 5 tablet compression machines. We will explore high-performance solutions designed for USFDA and EU GMP compliant facilities. Compliance carries high stakes in pharmaceutical manufacturing. It demands rigorous adherence to USFDA 21 CFR Part 11 and EMA EU GMP Annex 1 standards. Elite machines must define the standard for seamless cleanability, absolute data integrity, and high-speed overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. What makes a machine elite? It's defined by three core areas: GMP compliance, where cleanability is paramount; data integrity, supporting 21 CFR, Part 11 with secure audit trails; and high OEE, requiring fast changeovers and minimal downtime. First is the Fette Compacting FE55, the efficiency powerhouse. Its try-easy design provides 360-degree accessibility, eliminating dead zones. It offers up to 90% OEE capability and includes a patented system that significantly reduces product loss during sampling. Next is the Korsch AG XL 400, a smart Industry 4.0 platform. The machine features a streamlined GMP zone with a carrier plate and pneumatic dampers to isolate the compression zone. It uses a direct torque drive, eliminating the gearbox and reducing contamination and noise. It is also digital first, with full 21 CFR Part 11 support. The GEA NexGen Press 45 is the master of containment. It is designed for OEB compliance for potent compounds, featuring modular containment upgrades. The modular ECM allows the entire product contact zone to be swapped in under 30 minutes, supported by advanced wash-and-place capabilities. Fourth is the Syntegon TPR 500, the high-yield specialist. Its true flow discharge minimizes capping and lamination defects. This economic favorite maximizes yield and minimizes powder waste, utilizing a torque drive essential for sticky powders. Finally, we have the IMA Active Prexima Series, the hygienic architect. Its clean design ensures the processing area is sealed off for rapid wipe-down. It features an X-shaped support for rigidity and separates the lubrication system far from the tablet zone to guarantee zero black spots. Here are the 2025 market estimates. Base prices range from $450,000 to $900,000, reflecting each machine's primary value, such as high containment or hygienic architecture. To decide which machine is right for you, consider your production and operational needs. For example, choose GEA for potent compounds, Fette for limited space, Syntegon for high-volume generics, or Korsch for digital integration. All offer strong validation support. Thank you for viewing this video. Please reach out to discuss your facility's specific compliance needs. This slide lists the image sources used throughout this video.